Financial mistake. Let's see. Part 1, 2, 3, 4. Picked this up a couple weeks ago. 500 bucks. It's a 98 323i, I think. BMW. Obviously. When I first got it, this whole corner was pushed in. I'll put up a picture right now, or a video. One slight problem. It's a fucking automatic. Interior is pretty clean. My plan is to make it a manual. I had to do a couple things to get her like actually running right. I'm not gonna start it because the battery's unplugged. Holy fuck, this seat's hot. I had to get a new ignition because the dude thought it was a bad starter. The ignition was broken. That was it. It needs a really good clean. So I wanted a 5.3 swap this, but it runs amazing. Fuck it, maybe I should show that it runs pretty good. Yeah, fuck, how do you do this? There we go. Dude put a new battery because he thought that was the issue. It wasn't, but still. I appreciate you, my dude. I had to do some key fuckery. Also, that's how I have to shift it out of park because I used a manual lock cylinder because I couldn't find an auto one. But for the most part, I was gonna do the thing. It runs pretty fucking good. The only thing that's left in the damage is obviously that fender area. This part right here is not really supporting the fender no more right here, but I use a nut and bolt. It's good enough. This part right here, it broke it loose, but it's not leaking. The change was the fender, the fork support, the front nose panel, and I got these two from eBay. Even though I picked some up from Pick and Pull right now, but at the time, this is a complete set now. This thing's pretty fucking clean for 500 bucks. My initial plan was throw that out and then put in my 5.3 that I was saving for something. But now that I've been driving it around and shit, I kind of want a simple seat time car where I just have to throw oil in it and just drive, because that has a KAT, that's gonna get a 2J. I just wanted something simple, weld the diff and get more seat time in it. Yeah, so my plan is to manual swap it. I want to lower it and I want to put wheels on it, which I have a couple choices to choose from. Obviously I'm going to need a lug conversion adapters. I have some 57 DRs right there I could throw on. I have some WEDs LXZs. I still need to rebuild the rest of them. I rebuilt one of them kind of. That was pretty nice. Or I got some of these. Some SSR Viennas. Sadly, I got two of them. Two of them are still stuck in fucking customs because of some paperwork issues. My initial plan was throw this 5.3 in it, but this thing runs too damn good. I'll be damned to throw away or take apart a car that's perfectly running and driving. I've done that too many times. It only has, let's see, 196 or 192,690 miles. I don't know if the top works, so we had issues trying to take it down because of these things. Also, I need to find some of these, but we couldn't get it down. I really don't care. Initial plan fell through, so I'm not gonna do that anymore. What I decided to do was, this white one's cool. I'm just gonna fix it. What I really want is a black one. Or I might just keep this one as a simple seat time car. Get a black one and make that my drift car. There you go. So make this one my simple seat time car and get a black one. So I can throw my V8 in it. It kind of works because I want a white one with black interior. As see it. I gotta close this too. This has a tan kind of peanut butter looking interior. And majority of black ones come with black interior. So I'm just gonna swap both. That is my plan. Hopefully in the future, once I acquire a drive shaft, I'll do a video of me swapping it. I already got everything besides drive shaft and clutch and flywheel. Everything else should work. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Didn't really do much. I kind of did some. I got trans, but yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.